Hi there, Manufactour fans. Here to talk about something we all use every day. Toothpaste. That's right, toothpaste. It's the secret weapon for a healthy, sparkling smile. But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually in that tube and how it gets there? Toothpaste isn't just some minty, fresh goo. It's a carefully crafted blend of ingredients that work together to keep our pearly whites clean and strong. We're about to take an exciting journey, following toothpaste from the factory floor to your bathroom sink. Get ready to explore the science behind this everyday essential. We'll uncover the fascinating process of how toothpaste is made, from the ingredients to the packaging. You'll be amazed by the technology and precision that go into creating this everyday product. So, buckle up, science explorers, as we embark on a journey into the wonderful world of toothpaste. You'll never look at your tube the same way again. Let's start by getting up close and personal with the stars of the show. The ingredients. Each ingredient in toothpaste plays a specific role in keeping your mouth healthy. It's like a team of superheroes, each with their own special power. First up, we have abrasives. These gritty particles, like silica, are the cleaning crew. They scrub away plaque and food, leaving your teeth feeling squeaky clean. Think of them as tiny toothbrushes, working hard to polish your smile. Next, we have fluoride, the cavity fighter. Fluoride strengthens tooth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from sugary snacks and drinks. It's like a shield, protecting your teeth from those sneaky sugar bugs. And of course, no toothpaste would be complete without flavoring and sweeteners. These ingredients make brushing a more enjoyable experience. Who doesn't love the refreshing taste of mint? It's like a party in your mouth, but instead of confetti, we have minty freshness. Our journey begins with sourcing the raw materials. Imagine vast quarries where miners extract silica, the key abrasive in toothpaste. These natural minerals are carefully selected and processed to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. Next, we travel to fields, where farmers harvest peppermint and spearmint, the plants that give toothpaste its refreshing flavor. These aromatic leaves are then distilled to extract their essential oils, capturing their minty essence. From mines to farms, the ingredients for toothpaste come from all over the world. It's a global effort to gather the best materials for a healthy smile. And did you know that some toothpaste even contains seaweed extracts? It's true! Seaweed helps to thicken the paste and keep it from drying out. Mixing magic. How toothpaste gets its swirl. Now, let's head to the toothpaste factory, where the real magic happens. Giant, sparkling clean tanks hold thousands of gallons of toothpaste ingredients, ready to be mixed together. It's like a giant kitchen, but instead of cookies, we're making toothpaste. The ingredients are carefully measured and added to massive mixing tanks, following a precise recipe. It's like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we're using abrasives, fluoride, and flavorings. These powerful mixers blend everything together until it forms a smooth, consistent paste. And here's a fun fact. Those iconic stripes of toothpaste aren't just for looks. They're created by a separate nozzle that adds a different colored gel as the toothpaste is being filled into the tube. It's like a magic trick, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, we're creating stripes of toothpaste. Dressed to clean, packaging the perfect smile. Once the toothpaste is mixed to perfection, it's time to package it up. The paste travels through a series of tubes and nozzles, finally landing in those familiar tubes we all know and love. It's like watching a toothpaste roller coaster, as the paste twists and turns its way into the tube. Machines fill each tube with the exact amount of toothpaste, ensuring that you get the same great brushing experience every time. And let's not forget about the cap. Those little caps are carefully designed to keep your toothpaste fresh and prevent any messy spills. Finally, the tubes are labeled and packaged into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores all over the world. From the factory floor to your bathroom sink, each tube of toothpaste goes on an incredible journey. Brushing through history. Toothpaste. Fun facts. Did you know that people have been using toothpaste for thousands of years? Ancient civilizations used crushed up shells, salt, and even charcoal to clean their teeth. Talk about abrasive. Toothpaste has come a long way since then. The first commercially produced toothpaste was sold in the 1800s, and it came in a jar. Can you imagine squeezing toothpaste out of a jar today? Today, there are countless varieties of toothpaste available, from whitening to sensitivity formulas. Scientists are constantly working to improve toothpaste and make it even more effective at fighting cavities and keeping our smiles bright. So, the next time you reach for your toothbrush, Take a moment to appreciate the science and history behind that tube of toothpaste. It's a small tube with a big impact on our health and well-being. And remember, keep brushing those pearly whites. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.